So in the linear programming problems, that's exercise 12.2, application oriented problems. Let us see here these questions. Okay, so the questions are given to you. See the first question. Is it visible to you? So Reshma wishes to mix the two types of the food B and food Q, in such a way that vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. Food B cost is 60 rupees per kg and food Q cost is 80 rupees per kg. If food B contains 3 units of vitamin A, 5 units of vitamin B, while food Q contains the 4 units of vitamin A and 2 units of vitamin B. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. So this is a question here given to you. So I am going to represent this question in a tabular form so that the solution will be a little bit easy for you. So she wants to mix the two types of the food P and food Q. So first you take the food P, tabular form will become food Q. Vitamin A, vitamin B. So here it is given that food B contains 3 units of vitamin A, 3 units of vitamin A and 5 units of vitamin B, 5 units of vitamin B. Okay? And food B contains Q, so food Q contains 4 units of vitamin A and 2 units of vitamin B. Next, availability means here the question is given that mixture, what is the P and Q in such a way the content mixture contains at least 8 units of vitamin A. Vitamin A availability 8 units, maximum 8 units. This is available. 8 units of vitamin A is available. At least 8 होना है. At least 8 is nothing but, okay, I will explain you while framing the question to you. And 11 units. 11 units here. Okay, so vitamin A, at least that food mixture should contain at least 8 units of vitamin A, 11 units of vitamin B. And the cost is given to you, food B cost. This cost of the food B का पूरा cost कितना था सब 60 rupees per kg. Cost per kg is 60 rupees and another one is 80 rupees. So this is the thing given to us in a tabular form I am representing. So that little bit easy for you to understand. Okay. Now I will stop the presentation so that the board will be visible to you in a proper way. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from this chapter, which topics are deleted?
From LPP?
Yes, sir.
From the LPP, unbounded problems. Problems based on unbounded. Unbounded problems are deleted actually. Unbounded is nothing but here. Whenever you are, I'll explain to you. Yesterday in the class also I told you. Unbounded problems. The problems which are having a solution. Whenever you get a solution like this, two equations, this side. Common region, your feasible region is this one. So these type of the model problems are deleted from the syllabus. That's all.
Okay,
Only unbounded. I think in your textbook, unbounded question, 1 or 2 questions will be there in your exercise. Exercise में 1 or 2 questions will be there. So now here, what is the question here? Oh, sorry. This cannot be considered as availability. You can say that requirement. This is requirement. So given question I have written in a tabular form. So food P, food Q. You here 3 units per 1 kg, 5 units of vitamin B, and cost 60 rupees. So what is here question asking? How many kgs of the food P should be taken? How many kgs of the food Q should be taken? So one problem completely with the solution with the graph I will explain to you how do we find the constraints. Board is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here, let food be. Let the how many kgs of the food be? So let the mixture contains means whatever the mixture she is making, mixture contains x kgs of food P and y kgs of food Q. This is a thing. So first condition क्या है that both should be greater than or equals to 0. Both should be greater than or equals to 0. Okay. So the condition is given that vitamin A in that mixture at least 8 होना है. So therefore one mixture is there in that food P is there, food Q is there. Two types of the food. Foods are mixed in that. One mixture. Okay. And that food should contain the 8 units of vitamin. Minimum 8 होना है. So उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. You can have the more than that also. So the vitamin A in the x kgs of food P is 3x. 3x represents what? Vitamin A in x kgs of food P plus 4y represents that food Q में vitamin A. This what is this one? Vitamin A completely. This should be greater than or equals to 8. See at least 8 होना है. ये requirement है. हमको available कब लिखना है? Availability में तो less than or equal to case में लिखना है. That is also not required if you are not able to write this one also not problem. 3x plus 4y greater than or equals to 8. Okay. Next. 5x plus 2y is greater than or equals to 8. These two are the what do we call constraints. So therefore these two are the constraints. How do we get different this 3x plus 4y? So therefore these two are constraints. So what is the objective function you need to find? Total cost. Total cost let us represent by the z. So z से represent करते हैं. Total cost of z is equals to 60x plus 80 by 60 x kgs of food P. So per kg the cost is 8, which is to be minimized. ये minimize करना है. हम minimize करना है इसको. Okay, so there is nothing but we need to minimize the z 60x plus 80y with respect to the constraints, these two constraints 3x plus 4y greater than or equals to 8, 5x plus 2y greater than or equals to 11, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. So for this first you need to draw the graph. इसको ग्राफ से ड्रॉ करना है. So how many constraints you are getting here? 4 constraints you are getting. Graph how do we draw? Board is visible to you ना?
Yes, sir. Visible.
So graph कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? First quadrant only to be taken into consider. First quadrant only we will take into consider. So because x greater than 0, y greater than 0. So the easiest method to do the graph actually 3x plus 4y is equals to 8 you need to draw. So further what you write here? I am writing here 3x plus 4y is equals to 8. So here you have to take the coordinates in such a way that x 0 ले लो. So y is equals to 2 आ जाएगा. Y 0 ले लो. X is equals to 8 by 2. So the points are let us mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1. Approximately I am taking into consider 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the point is Satisfying the points is 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2 will be here. 0 comma 2. And 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is nothing but approximately you are going to get it as a 3 to the 6. Nearby 3 you are going to get it. Here approximately will be there. So this is 8 by 3 comma 0. This is 0 comma 2. Okay. So join these two. Like this, using the ruler. So what is this equation represents? This represents 3x plus 4y is equals to 8. 3x plus 4y is equals to 8 represent. 3x plus 4y is equals to 8 represent. And we need 3x plus 4y greater than or equals to 8. So what to do here? Greater than or equals to 8? One origin point, any point which is this side or that side, you substitute in the given equation. 0 comma 0 is the substitute color. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 greater than 8. So 0 greater than 8 is false. So false is nothing but the 0 comma 0 not belongs to this one. 0 comma 0 not belongs to this. So which side you are not having, that side you need to shade this one. Like this. Second also in the same way. Second inequation is given to you what here, that you need to take it. 5x plus 2y greater than or equals to 11. 5x plus 2y is equals to 11. So that is nothing but better thing is that x 0 lela y is equals to 11 by 2. Y 0 lela x is equals to 11 by 5. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. 5.5 point will be here. Okay, 5.1 point will be here and 0 comma 5.5. Now 0 comma 5.5 means here. This is a 0 comma 11 by 2. This is a point 0 comma 11 by 2. Okay, and 11 by 5. 11 by 5 is nothing but 2.2. 2.2 will be approximately here. Here 2.2. So this is 11 by 5 comma 0. So ये दोनों को ऐड करना है. These two you have to add. So this is the equation 5x plus 2y is equals to 11. 5x plus 2y is equals to 11. Now 0 comma 0 substitute करो. You can substitute not only 0 comma 0, any point you can substitute. If you are substituting any point also doesn't matter, but the point should not lie on the line. इस line पे नहीं हो. Such type of the point should be taken into consider and you should substitute. This point line में नहीं होना है. So then what you write here? That point if you substitute 0 comma 0 greater than 11. 0 comma 0 greater than 11 is it is false. So that is nothing but you need to shade this direction. So this is a problem of unbounded. See here, greater than it is given to you. The problem is this is unbounded. Actually, this is deleted from your syllabus. But we do until and unless we solve the problem, until and unless we see the constraints, then we cannot say that. So what is the common region we are going to get? The feasible region is where we are having both common from this side. This is the point, and this is the point. Here, this is the point, and this is the another point you are having, and next this, so we don't know this point. ये तो ग्राफ में आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, but you can identify the point, this point by solving these two equations. ये दोनों equations है ना intersecting point है. So if you solve in any way, any method, suppose if you are multiplying this one by the 2, you are going to get 10x plus 4y is equals to 22. Here you get 3x plus 4y is equals to 8. Minus minus minus, ये दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. Then we get here 7x is equals to 8 subtract कर लो, x value आ जाएगा. 22 minus 8 is equals to 14. So x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 substitute in this equation. So we'll get 5x plus 4 is equals to 11. 5x is equals to 11 minus 4. That is 7. X is equals to 7. Oh, sorry. I need to substitute in x place. 5 to 10. 10 plus 2y is equals to 11. So y is equals to 1 by 2. 2 comma half. So the point is here 2 comma half. 2 comma, see, even though I don't know the pointer, even though I cannot identify it, so then you can say here that point we can find out. So now what are the corner points? What are the corner points that you need to identify? So corner points क्या है? So the minimum value or maximum value will exist at the corner points. If it is unbounded, normally whenever you are taking the minimum value, if you are taking into consider the corner points में ये any one of the corner points it exists. So the corner point should be taken into consider. So what is the corner point here? You are going to have 0 comma 11 by 2 is the one point. 0 comma 11 by 2. Another point is, this is you consider as a A. This is you consider as a B. Another point is here C. This point C. So A is 0 comma 11 by 2. B is the point, the intersection point 2 half, and the point C is 8 by 3 comma 0. Then no 1 2 3. These are the corner points. Common region. The feasible region is nothing but the region which is common to the both. दोनों को common क्या है? That is called the feasible region. So here the feasible region is what? The feasible region is what here? This region is whatever it is. Actually, this problem is unbounded problem. Okay, so, but also here the procedure you need to know that. So now we need to find out the minimum value. Here you need to find out the z value at every place. At this place, इसमें substitute करो 60 into 0, 8 into 1 by 2. So 8 into 1 by 2 means z value 4 you are going to get. So this implies here z value, z is equals to 2. 62 is 120 plus. In these places corner points में substitute करना है. So 120 plus half the 4. So we are going to get 124. That means if you take the mixture P, say food P 2 kgs and food Q half kg, the cost means by satisfying that conditions, you are going to get the cost of the mixture is 124 rupees. And here in case if you take the food P 0 and food Q 11 by 2. So whenever you observe this, minimum thing is that minimum here C point where we find out. 8 by 3 is nothing but z value. What you get here? Z value 8 by 3 20 28 160 rupees plus 0. So 160 rupees you are going to get. Okay. Now if you observe this properly, इसको आप observe कर लिया तो, so what you can observe here? Minimum value 4 rupees. Minimum तो 4 ही आ रहा है. Sorry 11 by 2 ना 2 4 तो 4 नया. इसमें substitute कर लिया तो 8 into 11 by 2 2 1 2 4 here 44 आया. हाँ yes. You are going to get 44. So now minimum value is what here in this case? 44, isn't it? But you consider the problem here, read the problem question properly. Here food P and food Q is given to you. Two foods are given to you. So whenever you are taking here into consideration, the minimum value, I'll explain to you it.
Sir, first Z would be 440.
Oh, sorry. I made a mistake here. That's what I'm doing. 80 by none.
Yeah, yeah.
80 minus 400. The minimum value is here you are going to get 124. So at the point of 2 comma 1 by 2. So the minimum value is 124 and the X means food P should be taken as a 2 kgs and food Q should be taken as a half kg. And here actually as it is an unbounded problem, you cannot take it directly. So what you have to do here, whenever the value you are getting 124, na? So actually as per the theorem, you need to do the 60x plus 80y. 60x plus 80y, minimum value you need to consider less than or equals to 124, in equation should be drawn. Actually, whenever you take 60x plus 80y is equals to 124, it passes through
Sir,
a line passes through this
sir,
point. Ah, yes.
sir, in the point B equal to 2 comma half,
Ah.
that Z would be Z equal to 60.
Here, sorry. Ah, yes. I have taken 8 na. Sorry, 80 बोले तो 80 into 40 आ जाएगा. Sorry. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. 120 plus 40, 160. So here also 160. So we need to draw the, you can take the common here, what you will call 6x plus 8y less than or equals to 16. So like this one in equation should be drawn. So in equation less than or equals to. So is there any point in that in equation less than or equals to means it passes through this point. The line, whatever it may be, you draw here 6x plus 8, right? It passes through this point, common point. A common point ki through jayega. So when you draw the line, less than is nothing but is taraf go. So is there any point common to the feasible region in this region? No. So that's why this point itself should be taken as a minimum. So mostly the problem is wherever you get a minimum, that problem is to be taken as a minimum value in all the problems. But originally the situation is in case of unbounded problems, if you are taking like this will be. So one bounded problem also I will explain to you. In case bounded problems, what do we get? Okay? Did you understand here?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
that
sir.
graph we should draw in the answer script or in the graph paper.
In the graph paper. Graph paper will be given to you.
Okay.
Graph paper will be given to you. In the graph paper only you need to draw. And when you draw the graph paper, see here, this same graph paper is there. This is your answer sheet. Means whenever you draw that, the solution should be this side and paper. Suppose if your graph paper is this side, mostly the graph paper will not be like that. Last में graph paper होता है. Last में means in your answer scripts, whenever you are seeing that, the graph paper will be given to you last pages. So last pages booklet will be given to you, answer sheets. In the final board examination, booklet will be. So the graph paper will be included in the sheets only. Sometimes middle also you may get it. Yes, middle also you will get it. So middle में आते तो solution ये किसी दूसरी जगह में करके उसका ग्राफ इधर नहीं करना. Suppose your graph paper is in the page number 24. Page number 24 पे and you have completed all the solutions till the 20 only. And at last you have the graph solution is at a page number 24. At last you have to write in your answer sheet and the solution also to be done there only. Okay, so be careful while doing that type of the process. Let us move to the one more question here. Let me explain to you, show the question. I'll read the questions because every time it is question number 2. I'll explain to you how do we frame the. So all the models are mostly same models in this different questions you are not going to have. Okay. Here, whenever you see that this problem, actually you are not identified. Sir, ये both same are ना. These both we are getting the same 160, 160. So which one should be taken into consider in this situation? You are not asked that. Which one should be taken into consideration? So actually, food P, food Q should be taken minimum some
Sir, your
quantity.
voice is breaking.
Voice is not audible to you.
It's breaking, sir.
Mrinmay for you, Abhishek.
Sir, it is
Yes, sir,
okay,
it is
but it
breaking.
is taking sometimes.
Wait, I will try to rejoin again. Is it audible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Actually, here whenever you take into consider second problem, therefore, so one kind of the cake and second two kinds. Actually, instead of the second problem is similar only. So let us move to the question number 5 here. Question number 5, thoda sa two questions are asked to you. Similar model questions are there all, but little bit different whatever it is there that I am going to take and explain to you. Little bit different है वो question में है. So question number 5, if you choose, then little bit different है वो. So two questions are asked to you in that situation. 5. Close book. Wait. The book. 1, 2, 3. No. Question number 3, not 5. 3 question there. Third question. So in the third question, it is not visible, na question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The question is given to you. So here the factory makes the tennis rackets and cricket bats. The question in this it is given to you. Okay, I will show it to you. See the question here. Factory, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the question here. The factory makes a tennis rackets and cricket bats. A tennis racket cost is takes a 1.5 hours of the machine time and 3 hours of the craftsman work. Two works are there, machine time and craft work. So tennis racket, problem number 3, tennis racket and cricket bat, and both need machine work and craftsman work, machine work and craftsman work. So here the question is given that tennis racket takes the 1.5 hour of the machine time, 1.5 hours of the machine time, and 3 hours of the craftsman work. And cricket bat, 3 hours of the machine time, 1 hour of the craftsman works. Okay. So in a day, one day per day, if a factory has an availability of not more than 42 hours of match, here it is available, not more than, इससे ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर सकता है machine 42 hours, more than 42 hours of the machine time. Okay, so you may get out here, sir, how it is possible that in a day 24 hours will be there, 42 hours in a day. In a day, a factory has a availability of not more than 42 hours of the machine time and 24 hours of the craftsman work. 24 hours craftsman work. Can you say how it is possible? 42 hours. And here the profit is given 20 rupees on a 20 rupees on a rocket, 10 rupees on a cricket bat. So find the maximum profit. First question is given to you, what number of the rackets and bats must be made if the factory is to work at full capacity. Full capacity में work करना है तो how many rackets and how many bats should made. So what is the meaning of that one here? Actually here 42 hours of the machine work is nothing but not single machine is working. One machine is working 20 hours, another machine is working 20 hours. Per day the machine work. Okay, per day the machine work is two machines together is taking more than 24 hours possibility is there. Like that here the condition should be taken into consideration. A factory makes the tennis rackets and rocket take the 1.5 hour machine time and 3 hours of the craftsman work. So this is the question given to you. And what is the number of the, so like this the table, when you represent on a table representation will be like this, isn't it? So now here what you need to make here, first question के लिए, for the first question what is asking to you, what number of the rockets and bats, let the number of the rockets as a x and let the number of the bats as a y. Then if you take that, machine is going to make it 1.5x plus 3y is nothing but in a day x one rocket के लिए a machine should work 1.5 hour. Machine should work 1.5 hour. And for cricket bat, machine should work 3 hours. So if the number of bats in a day, if they produce, what number of the bats made in a factory is to work at a full capacity. Full capacity में work करना है तो is equals to 42 should be taken into consideration. And here 3x plus y is equals to 24 should be taken. And I am solving these two equations, what point you are going to get. You have to solve these two equations. So solving these two equations means you can multiply this by the 2. First equation for 2 से multiply करो because 3x is there. 2 से multiply करो 3x plus 6y is equals to 84 and 3x plus y is equals to 24. And subtracting these two, you are going to get 5y is equals to 24 60 आ जाएगा. So y is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12. Substitute in any one of the two equations. X you are going to get any one equations. So if 12 इधर substitute करो 12 4. So that means if 4 rackets and by cricket bats means 12 cricket bats if they made, complete use हो जाएगा. If it is taken means even machine work will be and craft work will be exactly use हो जाएगा. Now the question is given that this is first question. So the first question में क्या देते वो, and second it is given that the profit on a rocket is 20 rupees and a bat में 10 rupees if it is there. Find the maximum profit of the factory when it works at a full capacity. तो when it works at a full capacity maximum profit लेने के लिए ये ऐसा प्रोड्यूस कर लियो तो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट नहीं है, फुल में यूज करना है. बट कंडीशन इज व्हाट इज गिवन हियर इन दिस सिचुएशन. अवेलेबिलिटी इज 42 है. 42 से यू कैन कंसीडर 42 आवर्स मशीन कैन वर्क इन अ डे. सो 42 से कम भी हो सकता है. देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ हैविंग अ. सो इन दैट सिचुएशन the inequations we are going to get 1.5 x plus 3y is less than or equals to 42. 42 से ज्यादा नहीं होना है बट 42 से कम भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट 3x plus y is less than or equals to 24 and both inequations are x greater than 0 y greater than 0, both less than or equals to 4. And the objective function is z is equals to 20x plus 10y. This should be maximum profit आना है. That should be maximized. So if you take the like this, you may get maximum or not. We don't know. Let us see. इसका graph रहा. So to draw the graph of this one, normally what you have to do here, x-axis, y-axis should be taken into consideration. So coordinates, what coordinates you are going to get? X equal to 0 you take. In equation first line you have to draw. X equal to 0 if you take, y is equals to 14 आ जाएगा. So 0 comma 14 is 1 point. 0 comma 14 is nothing but better you take on this 2 units you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 0 comma 14 is a point here. This is 0 comma 14. If x equal to 0, y equal to 0 ले लिया तो 3 by 2 x is equals to 42. So this 2 by 3, 3 1 so 3 14 so 42 so 24 we are getting. 24 comma 0, 24 comma 0 is very somewhere else you will get here 24. This is the point you consider 24 comma 0. You can take here not only 0, any points you can take. X value, some other point, y value, some other point, but 0 if you take, the value is easy for you to get. So this is the equation. And less than or equals to, so this इस तरफ शेड होगा. Second equation is 3x plus y less than or equal. First is equals to there. So x equal to 0 ले लेते तो y equal to 24 आएगा. X equal to 0, y equal to 24. So 0 comma 24, the point will be somewhere else here. This is the point 0 comma 24. And y equal to 0 ले लेते x equal to 8. So 8 comma 0. So this is 8 comma 0. And you know the time. Can anyone say what is this point? Can you tell what is that point from this information?
Sir, 4,12.
Yes, already it. हम लोग already solve कर दिया. So this point is 4 comma 12. Even in the graph, whenever you observe that here you are not getting exactly, but you approximately you are getting. See, graph में exact draw कर लिए तो you are going to get 4 comma 12. Even that is also not necessary. Already we have solved. This is the intersection point of the two lines. So whenever intersection point, so and ये इस तरफ है. So the common region is what here. This is the common region. Only this is feasible region. So it is a bounded. So what are the boundary points here? A 0 comma 0 is the one point boundary point, and B 0 comma 14 is another boundary point. C 4 comma 12 is another boundary point. D 8 comma 0 is another boundary point. So like this boundary points, and at every boundary point you need to find out the objective function behavior. 20x plus 10 y, तो ये completely 0 हो जाएगा. ये तो इधर the maximum profit आएगा. तो when you produce z is equals to 0 comma 14. So here substitute कर लो 140 आ जाएगा. So when you produce z is equals to 80 plus 120. है ना 4 to the 80 plus 12 120. So we are going to get 200 rupees profit. If you produce 4 rockets and 12 bags and 8, here z is equals to 160. So the maximum profit you are going to get it 200 rupees if you produce the exactly. So in that situation itself here, full capacity में work हो जाता है and maximum profit also we are going to get it. Okay, समझ में आया? And in these problems, whenever you see that, see the questions में, in these questions, fourth question you see, one by questions once discuss करते हैं just we'll discuss and because question framing is easy only in all the situations. Fourth question you see, manufacturer produces the bolts, nuts and bolts. It takes a 1 hour work for machine A and 3 hours for the machine B to produce the package of the units. So nuts and bolts should be taken in the place of the tennis rackets and like that. And machine A, machine B, 2 machines are producing. So it takes 3 hours on a machine A, 1 hour on a machine B, produce the package. And he earns a profit of 17.50 per package on a nuts and 7 rupees on a bolts. So this is objective function use. How many packages of each should be produced each day so as to maximize his profit if he operates his machine for at least 12 hours per day. So both the machines he is operating at least 12 hours. At least 12 means 12 fair, minimum 12, at most, question is given to you here at most, maximum 12 hours, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं है, उसे कम use कर सकते हैं. That is nothing but if you consider that number of nuts as a x, number of bolts as a y, machine A पे x है, so we are going to get here on machine B 1 and 3. So x plus 3y less than or equal to 12. Next 3x plus y less than or equal to 12 only. 2 inequations you are going to get like this. Did you understand the question? And coming to the fifth question. Here some questions will be, this is very important. The questions are given to you minutes. A factory manufactures 2 types of the screws, A and B. Each type of the screw requires. So here we have already solved the problem in such a way that by taking the values here, everything is given to you in hours, 1.5 hours in the previous problem. But here this problem, whenever you take it, given 4 minutes and 6 minutes is given to you. 6 minutes and 3 minutes is given to you. And at last, the question is given to you 4 hours on a day, available 4 hours on a day. The manufacturer can sell the screws at a profit of ₹7 and ₹10. So here it is given to you availability of each machine is available at 4 hours on any day. So these hours should be converted into minutes. Availability should be taken into consider. So be careful, by 4 should not be taken, 4 into 60, 240 should be taken into consider. 240 lena hai, okay? So that is the one thing you need to observe here in this problem. And coming to the next, all the problems are simple only. So 6th question, a cottage industry manufactures pedestal lamps and wooden shades, each requiring use of the grinding cutting machine and a sprayer. It takes 2 hours on grinding and cutting machine and 3 hours on a sprayer to manufacture a pedestal lamp. Pedestal lamp and things and wooden shades. These are the two things are given to you. So everything is given in hours. Maximum profit you need to find out. So it is also simple problem only. So all models are here similar models only, except if when you go to the yes, इसमें तो कुछ difference नहीं है, simple problems. Yes, all the problems you can do it. You try yourself, and last 10th problem is given to you a little bit different. There are two types of the fertilizers, F1 and F2. F1 consists of the 10% of the nitrogen and 6% of the phosphoric acid, and F2 consists of the 5%. Percentage is given to you. So 10% means 10 by 100 X. So nitrogen X units if you take and phosphoric Y units if you take, you are going to get 10 by 100X, 6 by 100X. So 10X plus 6Y, but 100 should be is equals to 6 kgs is given to you. Okay, so after question, read the question and try to understand it. So there are two types of the fertilizers, F1 and F2. F1 consists of the 10% of the nitrogen and 6% of the phosphoric acid, and F2 consists of the 5% of the nitrogen and 10% of the phosphoric acid. After testing the soil conditions, a farmer finds that she needs at least 14 kgs of the nitrogen and 14 kgs of the phosphorus. In most of the problems, same number is given to you for her problem. If F1 cost 6 kgs and F2 cost 5 kgs, 5 rupees per kg, determine how much each type of fertilizer to be used. So here, how much should be used so that the nutrient requires the minimum cost minimum karna hai. Cost should be minimum. So at least 14 kgs means minimum 14 kgs. Whenever at least word is used, more than that also can be taken into consideration. So that means this problem also unbounded problem you are going to get it. At least whenever the word is used. Okay. This problem also unbounded problem you will get it. So in that situation, minimum cost should be find out. The minimum cost. So don't consider that whenever it is asking you to find out the minimum बोले तो unbounded होता है, maximum बोले तो bounded होता है, not like that. Okay, so depending upon the situation and the problem you need to read. By reading that question, then you should be ready to understand. So this is the problems which are based on the linear programming problems. Okay. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.